If you are a frequent viewer of this YouTube channel, you must have heard me say a few weeks ago that I had a major writer's block, or video creating block that is, and I asked the question, what should I create in my YouTube video? So I got loads and loads of questions and looks to do. I couldn't do them all at once, so I'm spreading them out over a longer period of time. But one of the looks requested was a court jester. So as Carnival is coming, I thought that is the look that I should do before it is Carnival. So if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching, because we will do this step by step in the coming video. I was asked to do a court jester makeup here on this YouTube channel, and in my opinion it is kind of a clown, but then from the time when there were still castles with kings and queens and their court jester who would make them laugh or sing or dance on command. So I don't really want to make a classic clown, because I have had a clown's week on this YouTube channel ages ago. I did 3 clowns on last Halloween video series I did, so I decided to do something different. That is why I have my white pencil liner by Ben Nye, because there are going to be loads of shapes on my skin today and I really want them to be correct, so I'm going to sketch them out first, and hopefully at the end of this video I will be kind of a court jester. So that should make the base of my court jester of today. And for the coloring, I have decided to make a multicolor base, obvious with all the shapes on my skin of course, but I have white, yellow and red, which are the colors of the nearest city to where I live. And to give it a bit of contrast, I also added 2 blues. So yellow and blue is actually for the town I live in here in the Netherlands. So I have my town and the nearest city all in this makeup. If the colors for your town are different and you want to recreate this look, so please just change the colors for your own city. I'm gonna start coloring with white. This is the white by Diamond Effects. It is the Essential White, and I've got the Simone brush number 1 to put the color on my skin. So putting this first color on is pretty easy. It is the sharp lines with the next colors that will make it difficult. Now the basic white is on my skin, and I see I forgot a tiny little bit over here. Well, I will fix that in a minute. We continue to yellow, and I have the yellow by Maron Paradise. It is a lovely warm yellow that will go perfect with the colors of the city next to us and is perfect for this makeup as well. So I will put the yellow on the left side of my face. Why do I always get a runny nose when I'm face painting? Never happens when I'm using alcohol activated makeup. So there is a bit of yellow here as well. The next color is a red. This is the basic red by Maron Paradise. A lovely red color. I think I said that previous video or 2 videos ago as well. If it comes to red, this is absolutely my favorite one. I just realized that once again I forgot to put my contact lenses in. I need to remember that I do that up front when I'm using water activated makeup, but well, I will just finish this for now and then we will see what the lenses do. I'm going to continue to the blue. This is number 116 by Superstar, and if I remember correctly it is called light blue. So that is the color that will go on this side of the face. And finally, petrol blue, also a color by Superstar. It is a lovely teal, dark blue color, very intense. I love this one. So still on the Simone 1 brush, and let's fill out the final gaps on my skin. Getting a bit of it in my hair, but that's okay. So the red and yellow on my eyelid wasn't the best idea, so probably I will just make the red a bit bigger so I don't smudge it as much as I'm doing at this point. So let me finish this blue. So a quick revisit to the red to make this area a bit bigger. Yes, that should cover it. I'm gonna make my lips red as well. And finally I have some black because we have some spots left that need to be colored. So I will definitely wear a wig with this makeup in a bit. That way I can just paint a bit of my hair black as well. Makes it easier. So I'm guessing it will be a black wig. So hopefully that is enough with the black on the ears. I really don't want to put black in there and make them all black, because getting rid of black face paint in your ears is really like hell, and I can't arrive at school tomorrow with my kids having my ears all black. So I'm gonna paint a few new eyebrows for myself because mine seem to have vanished. Yes, let's paint some eyebrows. These should obviously also be kind of sharp. So I guess this is the moment where I pop my contact lenses in, and I think I want a blue one on this side and a yellow one on this side. Not yet sure if I will tear up the entire makeup, but we will see that in a minute. So yeah, how am I gonna do this? That went quite all right. There are a few tears there. Oh, there's a lot of tears there. No, 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 no. Okay, there will be a little more black there anyway. So that is the blue one. And as you can see, that matches the makeup pretty well. Time for the yellow one. Okay, so that is the lenses. Time to turn this into a court jester, and I think I will achieve this just by simply putting the lines in that is so typical for a clown or a jester. So I will make a few lines going down from the middle of my eyes and a few up as well, and let's see what happens when we do this. Okay, so I think I just need to put on my wig to see where we stand with this makeup. I also have a costume, but I don't really know if it is okay with the look I have created. But let me just get my wig on and show you the costume, and then we can decide if the costume stays or if it goes. The wig and the costume, which in a freakishly weird way actually works pretty well with this makeup. So this is just a costume I got at a local carnival store. And with that, my Court Jester makeup for today is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day and I hope to see you back next time.